Kababasada. Okay. You can introduce yourself now. Nasa 30, no? Nasa 30 kayo lahat. Okay, account po ni... Ano yun? Nawala?
Go, son.
My name is Maxzik. I'm 7 years old. Why do I want to be an artist? Because I want to improve my drawing skills. That at the future I can make animations.
And then you show your drawing.
Ayan, may sample si Maxi. Oh, wow. You're specialized in making illustrations and cartoons, no? Oh, wow. That's very good at a young age. Ayan. So, gusto mo maging digital artist ba? Tama ba yan? O, digital animator?
Yes.
Ayan, so, this is a very good foundation. Ayan. Si kuya nyo, nag-join siya ng competition in digital arts, national events, ayan, nananalo din siya. So, I think makakatulong din ako sa'yo, no? So, thank you, Maxik. Very unique yung name, ah. Okay, sa account po